So this slide shows the different toolbars associated with the TEISS map interface. And the first one you're seeing is the Annotation Tool Bar, and that's in the red box here. And the Annotation Tool Bar includes tools you can use to view and edit the map. Usually it's located on along the left side of the map, but in this particular screen capture, it's on top because that person who used this TEISS project moved it up here. You can drag it around by clicking on the grabber bar right here, just like with Windows Explorer toolbars. The next toolbar is the source type toolbar, and that's shown in blue here. And again, this one's usually on the left side, but this was customized and they moved it up here. So with the source type toolbar, you can graphically add sources to the map, and that also adds them to the input view of your TEISS project. So if you wanted to add a facility, you could use that option if you clicked on that little facility button, and that would add the facility to your map, and then you would also be able to enter the emissions for that facility. The next toolbar is the tree view, and this is where you see the layers of the map, and it's located on the far left of the screen, and it's enclosed by the green border. And then you have the legend on the very far right, and you can see from this legend here that only the facility and the release point is on the map. And that means that the other sources, like the non-point sources and the on-road sources and the non-road sources, weren't imported into this TEISS project, or no one entered those sources into this TEISS project. This next slide shows the Annotation Tool Bar, and it gives the details on what each of those tools on the toolbar does. And you should, into the right here is the details on what each of these tools are. And the most common tools you're going to be using is the Select tool, which is an arrow, and the Zoom In tool, which is a magnifying glass with a plus sign in it, and the Zoom Out tool, which is a magnifying glass with a minus sign in it.